Hello, Judy. Peter and Rose are here. They have entered in my house.
Hello Judy, salam Judy. Peter and Rose are here. Peter او Rose دلته دي. They have entered in my house. دوی زما کور ته داخل شوي دي.
I am really scared, Judy.
I'm really scared Judy. زه ډیره ډاره شوې یم Judy. Scared ویل کیږي ډارېدل.
What? What are they doing there? How did they enter in the house?
What are they doing there? دوی هلته څه کوي؟ How did they enter in the house? دوی کور ته څنګه داخل شول؟
I forgot to lock the door. They raided in my house. What should I do now?
I forgot my hair کړل to lock the door چې دروازه بنده کړم. They raided in my house. دوی زما په کور باندې ریډ وکړو. ریډ ویل کیږي ملګرو یو ناڅاپه اټیک حمله په یو چا باندې کول. صحیح دی هغه ته ریډ ویل کیږي. What should I do now? زه باید څه وکړم؟
They are downstairs, Judy. They can come here. You have to do something.
They are downstairs, Judy. دوی لاندې په زینو کې دي Judy. They can come here. دوی کولی شي دلته راشي. You have to do something. ته باید یو څه وکړې.
You are driving me crazy, Mom. Peter can destroy our plan.
You are driving my crazy, Mom. ته ما ډیره غوسه کوي. Driving my crazy ویل کیږي یو څوک غوسه کول یا خفه کول. Peter can destroy our plan. Peter کولی شي چې زموږ هدف تباه کړي. Destroy ویل کیږي تباه کول او plan ویل کیږي هدف ته.
You need to hide. Where are you right now?
You need to hide. ته باید پټه شي. Hide ویل کیږي پټول پټېدل. Where are you right now? ته اوس چیرته یې؟
I am in the bathroom. They will also come here. I cannot hide.
I'm in the bathroom. زه په تشناب کې یم. They will also come here. دوی به دلته هم راځي. I cannot hide. زه نشم کولی چې پټه شم.
Judy, listen to me. You are my last hope. You have to do something.
Judy, listen to me. Judy ما ته غوږ ونیسه. You are my last hope. ته زما اخیرنی امید یې. Hope ویل کیږي امید ته او last ویل کیږي اخیرنی. You have to do something. ته باید یو څه وکړې.
Please do something. You can distract them. Just do something.
Please do something. مهرباني وکړه یو څه وکړه. You can distract them. ته کولی شي چې دوی مشغوله کړي یعنی مخه یې ونیسي. Distract ویل کیږي ملګرو مشغولول یا مخه نیول. Just do something. یوازې یو څه وکړه.
Okay, Mom. I will call Rose. I will do something.
Okay, Mom. صحیح ده مورې. I will call Rose. زه به روز ته زنګ ووهم. I will do something. زه به یو څه وکړم.
Everything is spotless. Someone is staying here. Let's check in the kitchen.
Everything is spotless. هر څه صفا دي. Spotless ویل کیږي صفا. ډېر زیات صفا. Someone is staying here. یو څوک دلته پاتې کیږي. Let's check in the kitchen. راځه چې په پخلنځي کې لټنه وکړو.
Look at the food. The food is fresh. I told you
Look at the food. د خوراک ته وګوره. The food is fresh. دغه خوراک تازه دی. I told you Rose. ما ته ویلي ول روزه.
Rose.
Peter, I want to go from here. We should call the police.
Peter, I want to go from here. زه غواړم د دې ځای څخه لاړه شم. We should call the police. موږ باید پولیس ته زنګ ووهو.
Maybe someone broke into this house. He can be a thief.
Maybe کېدای شي someone یو څوک broke into this house په دې کور کې غلا کوي. broke into ویل کېږي ملګرو غلا کول. He can be a thief. هغه کېدلی شي یو غل وي.
Thief.
No, Rose, no. I will solve this mystery.
No, Rose, no. نه روزانه. I will solve this mystery. زه به دغه راز حل کوم. mystery ویل کېږي راز ته secret ته.
We should go upstairs. I am not going to scare. We should
go upstairs. موږ باید بر زینو طرف ته لاړ شو. I'm not going to scare. زه به نه ډارېږم. scare ویل کېږي ډارېدل. Let's go راځه چې لاړ شو.
Go.
Oh no. They are coming upstairs. Oh God help
Oh no, they are coming upstairs. دوی بره را روان دي. Oh God help me یا الله زما کومک وکړي.
me.
Open the door. Who is in the room? I said open the
Open the door. دروازه خلاصه که. Who is in the room? په دې کوټه کې څوک دي؟ I said ما وویلې چې open the door چې دروازه خلاصه که.
door.
Who is inside? If you don't open the door, I will call the
Who is inside? دننه څوک دي؟ If you don't open the door که چیرته دروازه خلاصه نه کړې I will call the cops. زه به پولیس ته زنګ ووهم. cops ویل کېږي پولیس ته.
cops.
I have to hide in the bathroom.
I have to زه باید hide پټه شمه in the bathroom په تشناب کې.
Oh no, I broke the lamp.
Oh no, I broke the lamp. ما دغه ګروپ مات کړ.
Peter, did you hear something? Someone is in
Peter, did you hear something? آیا ته یو څه واورېدل؟ Someone is in the room. یو څوک په دې کوټه کې شته.
the room.
I told you so many times, Rose. Judy was lying. She is a cunning girl.
I told you so many times, Rose. ما ته څو ځلې ویلي ول روزه. Judy was lying. Judy دروغ ویلې. She is a cunning girl. هغه یوه چالاکه جنۍ ده. cunning ویل کېږي چالاکه.
Who is calling?
Who is calling? څوک زنګ وهي؟
Judy is calling.
Judy is calling. Judy زنګ وهي.
Hello, Judy. What happened?
Hello, Judy. سلام Judy. What happened? څه واقع شول؟
Rose, where are you? I am not feeling comfortable.
Rosa, where are you? ته چیرته یې؟ I'm not feeling comfortable. زه خو د آرام وړ احساس نه کوم. comfortable ویل کېږي د آرام وړ ته او feeling ویل کېږي احساس کول ته.
Please come home soon. I am feeling dizzy.
Please come home soon. مهرباني وکړه کور ته ژر راشه. I'm feeling dizzy. په ما باندې چکر راځي.
Okay, Judy. Don't worry. I am coming.
Okay, Judy. صحیح ده Judy. Don't worry. پریشانه کېږه ما. I'm coming. زه راځم.
What happened, Rose? What's the
What happened, Rose? څه واقع شول روزه؟ What's the matter? څه مسله ده؟
matter?
We have to go back right now. Judy is not
We have to go back right now. موږ باید اوس لاړ شو بیرته. Judy is not well. Judy ښه نه ده.
well.
No way. We are not going anywhere. We will enter in
No way. نه. We are not going anywhere. موږ هیڅ چېرته هم نه ځو. We will enter in this room. موږ به دې کوټې ته داخلېږو.
this room. I am going to break
I'm going to break this door. زه به دغه دروازه ماته کړم. break ویل کېږي ماتول.
this door. Where are you? Who was here? Show your
Where are you? ته چېرته یې؟ Who was here? دلته څوک و؟ Show yourself. خپل ځان دې ښکاره کړه.
self.
Peter. Let's go back. We don't know. Who was
Peter, let's go back. راځه چې بیرته لاړ شو. We don't know. موږ نه پوهېږو. Who was here? دلته څوک و؟
here?
No, Rose. I am going to check in the bathroom as well. I cannot
No, Rose, نه. I'm going to check. زه به ولټوم. In the bathroom په تشناب کې as well هم. I cannot give up. زه هار نه منم. give up ویل کېږي هار منل ته پوه شوې. So I cannot give up. زه هار نه منم.
give up.
Peter. I am feeling dizzy. I am going to
Peter, I'm feeling dizzy. په ما باندې چکر راځي. I'm going to throw up. زه به کانګې وکړم. throw up ویل کېږي vomit کول ته یعنې کانګې کول ته ویل کېږي. څه دی؟
throw up.
Rose. Your face is turning pale. Are you
Rosa, your face is turning pale. ستا مخ چې ده زیړېږي. pale ویل کېږي مطلب زیړ رنګ ته. Are you okay? آیا ته ښه یې؟
you okay? Come here. You should
Come here. دلته راشه. You should sit here. ته باید دلته کښېنې.
left it here. What happened to you? We should go to...
What happened to you په تا باندې څه واقع شول We should go to the hospital موږ باید هسپتال ته لاړ شو
To the hospital.
Peter is going to come here. I cannot.
Peter is going to come here Peter به دلته راشي Sorry Peter is going to come here Peter به دلته راشي I cannot do anything زه هیڅ هم نشم کولای
Do anything. Judy has not done anything yet.
Judy has not done anything yet Judy تر اوسه پورې هیڅ هم نه دی کړی Where should I hide زه باید چیرته پټه شم
Should I hide?
Who is screaming?
Who is screaming دا چیغې څوک وهي Screaming ویل کېږي چیغې وهل Who is there هلته څوک دی
Who is there? If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this next video. I know you